You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, so today we have planned a very special video. I don't think anybody's ever done this. I haven't seen it, but we're doing beer can turkey. We thought we'd be extra special for Memorial Weekend, okay? So Robert came over to help me out. We're gonna build it. We're gonna show you how to build it, but I'm gonna let him talk about the beers.
Yes. So we got Jackalope Beer Brewing Company, Jackalope Brewing here. They actually use maple syrup in their beer for this one. And then over here we got Tailgate Brewery with a peanut butter milk stout on this side. It looks like we're going to mix those together and see what happens when we combine those and put it inside the turkey and inject it in the turkey as well. And what rub are we using today? Today we're going to use, the Cosmo Q Hot Dirty Bird. Oh, this is going to be good. We're going to have some spice on the outside. We're going to have some good flavors on the inside as well as inject it. And let's see how this works out for us today.
So come on in close and we'll show you how to do it. Alright, first thing you're going to do is mix our beers and get our platform ready. Now one is peanut butter. What's the other one taste like?
Maple? Maple, supposed to be.
Get messy, don't worry about it. Okay, we got it all set up. There is a jar of beer mix underneath. Now we're going to apply injection all over the turkey with the beer mix. So this thing's going to be drunk as ever.
Alright.
Taking it nicely.
Oh yeah.
So we'll let us inject this, then we'll hit it with some seasoning. Okay, it's fully injected. It's dripping everywhere. It's fully loaded. Now let's season this beauty.
All right, we got the pit boss out here, and today we're going to use the temp spike on this. Get this unlocked and going. Get that temp spike in there nice. Oh, look at that. All right, we got this baby going to 300. It's going to slowly raise up. Hopefully give our bird a nice, good flavor. Ooh, I can't wait for this. It's gonna be so good.
We are both very excited about this one because it smells amazing. It came out amazing. We know it's gonna be amazing. The cavity is full of juice.
And look over here, right on the side, you got kind of hard to see on camera probably. You got the bone just poking out.
Oh man.
The hips is coming back.
Oh, let's see how beautiful it came out. I watched it cook on my phone for the past hour.
Look at that.
Or two, maybe. Oh my gosh, it's puddling down here. Okay, dude. Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at that.
Wait, the nice one away. There we go. That's it. You gonna cut the rest of that?
Oh, that's beautiful.
We got a great sample coming up. I can smell the beer just like this. Oh, can you smell it?
So good.
Go for it.
Ready? Mmm.
Mm-hmm. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Want that? You want that? Oh.
Too late.
Oh, man.
That is really good.
I can kind of smell the beer.
So good.
It's good. It's tender.
We're going to enjoy this right now. Enjoy your Memorial Day. We love you. See you later.